When winter season finally ended, majority of us thought next season is going to be okay. No way it will live up to the hype of last one. Well, that may be true in the hype department, but there are so many great shows this season, and most of them are hidden gems. I miss this feeling. How long has it been that there was only one hyped anime for the season and rest were yet to be discovered? One of the show I fell in love with after the very first episode was Odd Taxi. Not a fake taxi, you degenerates. Odd Taxi. We follow Odokawa, a taxi driver who is 41-year-old walrus with an eccentric personality. We get sucked right into the world of Odd Taxi. When Odokawa wakes up with a nightmare, he drinks his bottled tea, puts his cap on, turns on the radio, and starts his night as taxi driver. Oh yes, you heard me. He is a walrus who puts on a yellow cap. A walrus wearing a yellow cap. Why does that look so cool? A walrus wearing a We get introduced to the world of Odd Taxi the second Odokawa turns on the radio. A radio may be unconventional, but for me, that unknowingly has a realistic touch. When you drive a car, or in the morning while having your breakfast, most people, and myself, turn on the radio for news, music, or the radio shows. And that's what Odd Taxi does. By playing the radio for first 3 minutes into the episode, the world feels real. Also, when you flash the daily lives of a huge cast while the radio is playing in the background, these characters feel like they belong here. Now that I've extensively explained only the first 3 minutes of the show and why I was hooked to the world of Odd Taxi in that time, do not think that the show is nothing more than the daily lives of these talking animals. If you think that, you are in for a surprise. The show follows a mystery of a missing girl who was last spotted getting into a taxi. You can imagine where I'm going with this. We are led to believe that the missing girl is with Odokawa, with teasing little by little who is behind these things, who is this high school girl, and why are so many people connected with this incident. The mystery unfolds. Odd Taxi shows us the world is full of coincidence. After the first 3 minutes which I glossed over earlier, Odokawa picks up his first passenger, a teen hippo who is addicted to social media and wants to go viral. And in the next episode on a new day, when Odokawa picks up new passengers, they are the host of a radio show which Odokawa listens to. We see one of the hosts is watching the same hippo on social media attempting to do a cover song in effort to go viral. This feels natural for us, as Odokawa is a taxi driver. He may possibly bump into many different types of people who are all connected back to Odokawa in some way or other. Many of the characters even cameo in the corner. That is why every frame feels important, especially when Odokawa is cruising through the city with his taxi. Every character feels like they are adding something to the world or story. The main reason it feels that way is thanks to character relations. In first episode itself, we get introduced to 17 cast of characters, and I might have even missed some of them because they could have had a cameo but not be formally introduced yet as of episode 3. But all of these characters are connected in some way with Odokawa. I will not say how they are connected because that might spoil you, and I really do not want to spoil it. The characters are something you will really get invested in, and I promise you that. Even though the plot is about this mystery of a missing girl, the cast brings in whole lot of dry humor and it is really funny. In episode 1, when Odokawa visits his doctor to have a checkup, thanks to his insomnia, we find out the doctor is his friend from high school, and they do what everyone does when one meets their friend, go on a tangent, like you think I'm going on one right now, but I'm not, trust me. The doctor asks him, "What do I look like to you?" when Odokawa makes up some bullshit about his insomnia. Odokawa says, "Gorilla." You get it? Because he's a gorilla. For fuck's sakes, it is a good joke in that segment, okay? It is a really good joke. Odd Taxi is really great at humor and lands some amazing jokes with a great delivery, unlike yours truly, while keeping the mystery alive and progressing it every episode. Odd Taxi's original source is the manga, which started its serialization on Jan 15, 2021 and has got an adaptation with only single volume out as of now. You can see how promising this is. The animation is not your conventional one, but is really good. It feels like a breath of fresh air, which suits the atmosphere of the show really well. The animation is done in collaboration with PICS, which is completely new studio, and OLM Studios, which stands for Originally Light Magic. I'm not kidding. They have done lot of Pokemon. I mean, lot of them. And another notable work is the Only Good Berserk adaptation. I think these guys are doing banger of a job with this style of animation. I know it is not your conventional one, but it is really good when you look at the aesthetics. Lastly, if you are holding off because it is a furry show, then you are dumb, man. I'm sorry, but that's true. Beastars and BNA have already proved that these types of show are really good, and I think Odd Taxi can stand close to it. What more do you want? We got good mystery plot, world that is super interesting, great characters, amazing drama, and a walrus with a yellow cap. If you don't like yellow, he wears different colors too. I don't know how, but the characters in the show feel more human. Is that a weird thing to say? I don't know, but they have so much realism. That is why I was hooked immediately to the show. I really do hope you will give Odd Taxi a try. It is really amazing. But alas, it is buried under the most vocal anime of the seasons. But I do hope you will give it a try, because this is the true underrated anime of the season. Hope you enjoyed the video. This season is really great. There are so many great shows hidden away. If you liked what you saw, subscribe maybe, and you can check out my other stuff too. That's it from me. See ya.